The Wucotc Professional 264 gigabyte voice recorder delivers impressively clear stereo recordings with strong noise reduction that keeps speech intelligible even in busy spaces like lecture halls or cafes. Its combination of large built-in and card-based storage allows you to archive thousands of hours of meetings, interviews, and classes without constantly offloading files. Long-running battery life supports extended recording and playback sessions, making it a dependable choice for multi-day conferences or frequent travelers. The interface is thoughtfully designed with a physical dial and one-touch controls, so both beginners and experienced users can quickly start, navigate, and adjust recordings without digging through confusing menus. Advanced features such as voice-activated recording, variable speed playback, bookmarks, and password protection make it especially useful for students, journalists, and anyone who reviews or transcribes audio regularly. Time-stamped file naming and straightforward Type-C connectivity to computers and Android phones simplify organizing, backing up, and managing your recordings across devices.